How to stop being added to groups on Telegram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then you have to click on the settings, the third last option. Then you come to this page, and in the settings tab you can see the privacy and security. You have to click on this, and then you have to click on the privacy groups in the privacy tab, and then you come to this page, and here it is saying that who can add me to group chats. So you can choose to my contacts, and only your contacts you can add you to the groups. And in the add exceptions you can choose the never allow persons and always allow. So to never allow you can add the users, and then you can choose all the person that you want. I choose one person, and then you can click on the this stick button in the blue color in the bottom right corner, and then you can also allow, always allow, or you can leave them. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. And then you can click on the this tick button in the top right corner, and now you have your changes is saved. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works.